Indecisiveness is detrimental to acquiring any form of success in life. The ability to make an effective decision promptly is vital to any successful accomplishment. In this video, we will discuss 4 techniques that will skyrocket your decision-making process. Let's begin. Number 1, the 40 to 70% rule. The retired 4-star general and the former Secretary of State, Colin Powell, describes the 40 to 70% rule as the sweet spot in decision making. The 40 to 70% rule says if you have less than 40% of the information, you should not make any decision. You should gather more information. However, do not wait until you have 100% of the information to take action. You should take action as soon as you have 40 to 70% of the information or the things you need. In other words, less than 40% is gambling. But waiting to take action even after you have 70% of the information or the things you need is time wasting. If you are an indecisive person, this rule can help you make decisions more quickly. Technique number 2, thinking before acting. This technique consists of 4 questions you should ask yourself before making a decision. 1, what is the purpose of this decision? 2, what is the percentage of people who will benefit from this decision? 3, what is the percentage of people who will get hurt because of this decision? 4, will the gains from this decision outweigh the losses? Thinking and decision making go hand in hand. The more focused your thoughts are, the better decision you will make. Technique number 3, the Eisenhower's matrix. Before Mr. Eisenhower became president of the United States in 1953, he was a general in World War II. We can see why decision making was critical to him. He came up with what we call today the Eisenhower's matrix. This decision-making technique is made up of a 4-quadrant graph. Each quadrant is designated to a different project or goal, depends on how important it is at the moment. The first quadrant is labeled urgent and important. That's for what needs to be done right away. The second quadrant is labeled important but not urgent. That's for things that don't need to be taken care of right away, but must be done in the future. The third quadrant is labeled not important, delegate. That's for the things you don't have to spend your time on. You can charge them to someone else. The 4th quadrant is labeled not important, eliminate. That's for the things you should stop doing and redirect your time to more important things. This decision-making technique helps significantly in keeping your priorities in order. Technique number 4, the regret minimization framework. The founder of Amazon and one of the richest men alive, Jeff Bezos, came up with a decision-making technique called the regret minimization framework. This technique is made of a simple but yet critical question. Whenever you find it challenging to make a decision or to take action, ask yourself, in X number of years, will I regret taking this action or not taking this action? Mr. Bezos is right about this technique. Having the least amount of regret as we grow older is fundamental for our peace of mind. Those were 4 techniques to skyrocket your decision making. As always, before we go, here's our quote for today. We cannot solve our problems with the same level of thinking that created them. Albert Einstein. Health, peace, wealth, and happiness to you and yours. May all your life's plans go without a hitch. Take care.